There's something bubbling in the Gulf. Let's get into it. Good Wednesday morning, everyone. It is July 23rd. Yesterday, the National Hurricane Center marked a place that kind of piqued their interest, headed towards the Gulf. This morning, we're continuing to monitor that, so let's see what they say. Now, yesterday, it was all right through here. Well, hold on, let me switch to another view so you can see better what I'm looking at this morning. Look at this. It's definitely flaring. This is what they have marked, heading that way for development somewhere along here. So this system, the center would be somewhere right here, and it's moving west-southwestward over the center of the Gulf. Slow development is possible. By the weekend, it is scheduled to move inland, and it looks like somewhere Texas, maybe Mexico, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, still pay attention, Panhandle of Florida, pay attention. And it says, regardless of development, heavy rain is possible, especially along this area right here, kind of where 93L went. Now, it's important to note that time is not on its side. As we said, it's moving here and expected to move into land by the weekend. But look at these Gulf temperatures. It's heading mid-Gulf, okay? So we've got 85s, 86s, 84s majority. 86 is right by the coastline, but look how much warmer it is compared to down here in the Atlantic. That's why we're seeing these storms that do forming right here in these pockets of warm water. This is the true color. Again, it's marking the center somewhere over here. Center, I say loosely. But you can see the movement in them clouds. This is the 3 to 7 day hazards outlook. And as you can see, National Weather Service has already marked heavy rain possible in this area where that storm's passing through now, between the 25th and the 28th. So moral of the story, no need to panic, not a 911 if you are in a Gulf area like Texas, even Mexico, Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi, Florida. Have a way to get alerts. Make sure that your alerts are set up on your phone. Pay extra close attention to your local news and the National Hurricane Center. I'm not a meteorologist. I just play one on TV. Have a flood plan in place. Find out where areas are in your area, or the routes, I should say, are in your area. And be prepared, but do not be scared. I love y'all. The next Hurricane Center update comes out at 2 o'clock. They usually post it around 1:30, so I'll be back then with an update. The rest of the country, mid-central United States,